Alright guys, you welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria Limited. Yes, but don't forget we global. If today is your first time you are coming on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, please. Alright? Make sure you subscribe. And at the same time, copy the link and send for others so that they can get a vibe too. Let's put it that way. And then again, make sure you hit on the notification button so that you can get notified whenever we upload new videos. Okay? Then if you're a returning subscriber, as usual, you know what? Copy the link and share for others. They can get a vibe also. You know what I mean? So that is it. So in a quick way, I want to tell you guys that we ship everywhere. Okay? If you want skincare items or organic product or cosmetic, original ones, that is it. Original ones. If you want them, you can always call at us, via the number on your screen. That is the number you can use to get to us. Always check on us for our videos to see update. Okay, we have different type of products, we have different type of organics and all that. Yes, you like them. That is that. In a quick word today, I want to tell you about this black soap. Look at it. Some people, they just don't know what black soap does. They prefer, maybe premixing soap or maybe a branded soap, alright? But I can tell you, even a lot of people also now they look into it and started branding this black soap because it's pretty rich. That's one thing about black soap. Just imagine a world you don't have any problem. They're not going to tell you, oh, your house is leaking. Oh, the gutter, you've not washed it. Oh, your car just, no, that is it. The world you stay, no problem. Everything, good for you. That is why you're using black soap. Alright? Anyway, some people said they react to it. It could be true. It could just be maybe impression. Somebody just said, I don't like black soap. And you say, I don't like black soap. Because this one tell that one, why is the reason why you don't like black? Make me irritate me. Oh, you say, oh, because he said, listen, this one said it irritate me, and then you say, oh, I don't like black soap because it causes irritation. Boom! Not at all. So don't listen to people. However, he never said that. He only said it irritates me because it's local, right? But I tell you, y'all, you're missing, right? Because this is the main groove. Just imagine in a world I told you that you have no complaints. This with this, yeah? Yes. It's going to take off all, like you'll be the oily type, it's going to take off that. It's going to take off all irritation. Naturally, I'm just telling you about black soap, not because you add something to it, no. Alright? It's going to moisturize your skin. If you're a black type, it's going to give you that black beauty. If you're chocolate, it's going to give you that chocolate, thing out. It make you look younger every day. This is black soap, we telling you, alright? It's not like, oh, we go put some stuff in it, like, oh, you put this, you put that, you put some bleaching things that we don't know. No, this is black soap. Are you getting it? Yes. If you have some skin irritation, this is gonna wash it out, gonna flush it, gonna make your skin smooth. Alright? It's gonna take off all that from your skin, and it's very rich. Are you getting it? It's very rich. So you don't just say because this one said I don't like black soap, I don't like black soap. Oh, you don't like the smell or what? What you don't like about the black soap? Let us know. Everybody has their own idea, so let us know what you don't like about it. It give you skin irritation, is that it? Then I will tell you how you go use it also. But I know it's not this black soap that gives you skin irritation, because then again, you might be someone who's allergic to a lot of things, but there's some way we boycott those things that you're allergic to, alright? But this black soap, I've told you about it, I've said it before now, that this black soap is none of A that you're talking or you're thinking right now. Black soap is just too perfect for you. Are you getting it? It's so rich. Use it for your skin. Alright? You can just break it in a jar and put water in it so that it gets soaked. So after some while, and you mash it and you start using it. That's all. Nothing more. No, look at it. All right. And if you want to use it to promise, also for those of you who promise, fine, you can use it to promise. You can use it to promise a very good soap. You can even use it to do what we call black mulatto. All right. Because now, after a lady created a black mulatto, I know the lady who created black mulatto, right? I know her very well, more than any of y'all. All right. She created black mulatto, and I mean, she created a mulatto soap, mulatto cream, and all that. Y'all go and started making yours mulatto, that everywhere mulatto, mulatto, mulatto. Boom! But trust me, and we talk about this also. You can also use this to make black mulatto. All right. So it's all about the idea, your formulation, because this soap is the best. It's the best. You can see some people, they brand it now. They call this blah 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 soap, blah 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 soap, but they all made of the black soap. That's to tell you because it's very good. It don't give blemishes, it don't give rashes, it don't give pimples, it don't give none of those things you get. It don't give black ties. It don't give it's a moisturizer. Majorly, ask me what it is. It's a moisturizer. Majorly. Don't let anybody tell you before I'm gonna say it's very rich, it's very dark, it's very blue, it's very blah blah blah. Number one thing I'm gonna tell you is a moisturizer. Alright? It's not where we promise it or we do some magic on it. Now it cannot turn to lightening or whitening. Yes, as it is, I can turn it to whitening. Alright, don't forget also we have a whitening black soap, a lightening black soap. Yes, as soon as I will showing you guys how to make that. So don't forget, just don't forget that this is the right channel you can get updates. You know, we have the face wash of this also. This is the right channel you can get the right update. Always watch us. Always come check on us about your new update. Okay, if today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, please. If not for you, there would have been us in here, right? So we're making these essential videos, information to all y'all. Alright, that's been a quick one. I want to tell you again once again, we still remain Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria Limited. Don't forget, we global. Alright, if you want us to ship anything to you like skincare materials, items, or you need some organic materials items, whatever you need about the beauty world, just let us know if you have the number on your screen and we will have them shipped for you. Alright, so I said it's a wrap. That is where we shoot the movie. It's a wrap. Go subscribe, y'all.